Hello and welcome to another tutorial in CATIA V5 or 20 from beginner to expert, and in this particular tutorial I'll be explaining you about the pocket feature. So click on start, mechanical design, part design, and enter the part name as say pocket, and press OK. Click on the sketch icon, select any plane in which you want to draw the sketch. Okay, so I'll just draw again an arbitrary rectangle, and I click exit the sketch, click on pad. As I told you in the previous tutorials, I'll give it as 100. Okay, now I just want a required cutout from this particular portion. So what I can do is I'll draw a sketch onto this surface. So just select the sketch icon and select this surface. So I got this as a plane, the face got changed into a plane, and I can draw anything on this particular surface. So what say like I'll just quickly draw profile. Okay, I just want a cutout in this particular shape. I want a cutout in this particular shape. So as you can see that this particular sketch in this particular surface, so I'll just exit the sketch and I'll just have a pocket. So now you can see that the pocket feature, the dotted line indicates that up to this particular, up to 100 mm, it would be pocketed, and as soon as I click on preview, you can see that the hole has been created, or you can see that the pocket has been done, and click on OK. So if you want to change the dimensions, so double click onto it and you can change the dimensions of it. And as I told you in the previous tutorial about the pad, we have up to next, up to last, up to plane, and up to surface options over here also, and you can use this particular options as told you in the previous lecture in under the pad feature. So it's almost the same. So this was a pocket feature, and it's very easy to use. So this was up for the today's lecture. Hope to see you in